Hey everyone, Vince here. Welcome to my TT Tube short video review. Today I'm going to find out if we can actually earn money by watching short YouTube and TikTok videos. I hope you guys enjoy. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Check out my Discord as well. Let's kick this off. So upon starting up the application, you have to agree to the terms and service. After that, you select your cash out method of either PayPal or Cash. I'm assuming that's Cash App perhaps. And then you have the choice to either enter in your PayPal account or mobile number. Be very careful when entering in your information on these type of applications. Just a quick warning to begin with here. I'll do it since I'm reviewing the application. Okay, so now that you've signed up, you can see here that we have a redemption option of 1,000 PayPal dollars if we achieve 10,000 of the cash. Now it's stating that I need to watch the video and win more cash. So this is what the short tab looks like. You can see here it's literally an imitation of both TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Now apparently watching these shorts is going to generate us the cash that we need to be able to cash out. It seems that it wants me to tap on this little money symbol here. You also notice the floating advertisement button as well. Tapping on that little cash button brings up this screen. Apparently we just won $1,000 worth of the cash, and now I can times 2 it by hitting collect. So now that I've just done that, you can see here that my balance is 2,000. Not only that, the little money symbol is now increasing. So now it's allowed me to tap on it again. Now you'll notice here that I just collected $447, and it's saying that I can watch an advertisement now to times 2 the reward. What if I simply tap on collect? Tapping on collect brings up an advertisement no matter what, and this is what developers do to try to increase the chances of you watching that long format ad that pays them more. This is all done by design, everyone. It's a very cheap trick that these apps like to pull on you guys out there that might not know how these things work. Either way, now my balance is 2,447. And you can see here that it's stating that we can watch another advertisement now to claim rewards. What if I tap on that little chest symbol here? Tapping on that will instantly play an advertisement, which I probably should have seen coming. I'm quite curious to see what the reward is going to be. So watching that advertisement allowed me to collect 965 of the cash, and now I'm on 3,412 of the currency. And now while watching this short, a random little ad prompt just appeared there saying that I can times 2 my reward again. And that would be for the sum of $401, which will give me $802. Let me just do that for you now quickly. Okay, I'm now on 4,214 of the currency. If you look at the bottom of the screen here, you can see that there's an actual bar that has a bunch of tabs. We have the video tab, game tab, gift tab, cash out tab, and me tab. So TT Tube allows you to actually earn with other methods as well, apparently. You'll notice at the top of the screen here on the shorts page, you have the hot tab, news tab, and game tab as well. These tabs, in my opinion, are completely a waste of time, and I feel like the developer has put these here for the reason of simply distracting you guys to watch more advertisements over and over. So essentially they put these little flash games in here to make you guys think that you're going to be able to earn by playing them, but you can see here another pop-up has appeared, and of course it's another ad prompt. So remember, there's no way for me to get around this ad prompt right now, so the developers are going to get their money out of me. Apparently I've just won 244 of the cash, so I might as well double it because they're going to play an ad anyway. Alright, so now that I've watched that advertisement, you can just see there, my balance is now 4,700. And now another advertisement has appeared as well. This is the news tab on TT Tube, and you can see it's literally just advertisements here for God knows where in the world, okay? Now, these might be real advertisements for jobs out there, but I would never, ever apply to anything on this application. This is just another way to get ad views, and I'll show you why. You can see you have the pop-up of that little ad chest floating around, but then of course you have the little money symbol. Tapping on that states that we've just won apparently 486 of the cash. So again, I'm going to double it. With applications like these, when they have all these little distractions, that's a massive red flag in my opinion, because you're downloading the application for the fact that you can watch videos, right? So why have all the distractions? It doesn't make sense now, does it? And I feel like the more you watch this review, the more things will start to come together of this giant puzzle of, in my opinion, just a mess. So now I'm on 5,674 balance. So now this is the other game tab on the shorts tab itself. Funny enough, there's games on the short tab. I just can't get my head around that. Either way, these are all just basic flash games. Half of them don't work, let's just be honest here. And again, you have that little money symbol as well. So every page has that little money symbol. That's because it's all part of the plan, guys. What about if we tap on the actual game tab at the bottom of the screen? It's literally like a replica of the shorts tab. It has the exact same options. And there's another pop-up again. So I'll be back in a second. So now we're sitting on 6,100 of the balance, and the only thing different about this area is the 2 game tabs. Again, complete waste of time. This is not what you want to do at all on this application. Just a complete distraction. The other game tab is a direct replica of the Shorts game tab. How about the gift tab at the bottom of the screen? So this is where this application, in my opinion, starts to cross the line of data harvesting. And I'm going to say this for a very specific reason, because applications like these really do worry me. And it's been proven before, like, just look it up, everyone. If you don't believe me on Google, these applications have an alternative motive to what you might think when they're sitting on your phone. I'll get into it more later on in the review, but you can see here, they want your name, your address, and your telephone number. So we're just going to skip that part for now. It's one of these systems again, where apparently it's a mystery box, and after 2 videos, you can increase your box count by 5. I'm on 13 boxes apparently that I can open right now. And at the bottom of the screen, you can see all these various rewards that we can apparently win if we get enough puzzle pieces. You'll notice that they're offering PS5s, iPhones, Samsung Galaxies, MacBooks, and of course they love to put here Google is not a sponsor or involved with any of the promotions or essentially this app in general. That's because, in my opinion, guys, this giveaway system is a complete joke and a waste of time, and essentially either used for data harvesting or just for playing you along with the grand scheme of the application. Now, another pop-up has appeared saying that I've won 277 cash. I'm going to watch the ×2 ad and come back in a second. Alright, so interesting enough, at this point, I'm going to try and collect as many of these little cash rewards as possible to see exactly what TT Tube has in store for us when it comes to diminishing returns. Either it's going to smack us right in the head with diminishing returns straight away, or it's going to make us wait a little bit. So I'm going to tap that little money symbol now, double this $287 of course, and get to that point where I can show you a cash out. So I'll be back in a second. Alrighty, we have $1,100 left before the cash out, and now I'm only winning 108 of the cash. So let me just ×2 that. Alright, the next amount is $66, ladies and gentlemen. Now I can ×2 that again. But you can see here, as I predicted, diminishing returns has kicked in. Every single one of these type of applications has diminishing returns. It's done deliberately to make you watch more ads. Very painful process and a very bad tactic from developers. And usually it's one type of developer that does this, by the way. Now down to 26 of the cash, guys. I can ×2 that. You can see exactly what's going on now, dude. It's ridiculous, seriously. And I can't believe people are sitting through this, by the way. I have a very bad feeling about what we're going to face when we eventually try and cash out. Alright, we are now on 10,019 of the cash. So yes, that means we can actually see what is going on now with this application and once you reach the end of it. So you can see here, the $1,000 PayPal card is now available for redemption. So I'm going to tap on that now. This is obviously where you enter in your PayPal email address to confirm. And then just like that, it hits you with the, you must watch 30 videos to activate the order within 2 days. Who could have seen that coming? This kind of extremely cheap tactic is the way for scam apps to get you to watch even more advertisements, everyone. And something even more funny, now that my balance is back to 0, it states that I've just won $432 and I can ×2 it again. TT Tube, in my opinion, is nothing but a complete scam application that needs to be wiped off the Google Play Store. There is a good reason why it's in early access mode, and that's so the developer can hide the reviews. It's as simple as that. No legitimate money-making application will ever force you to watch advertisements to activate an order. This is what I have to make absolutely clear. Either way, I hope I helped someone out there. Thank you for watching. Join my Discord, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all tomorrow for another review.